Mix salt with dish soap, and you'll be amazed by the results. After I started using this mixture, I never bought it from the store again. To start our simple tip, we'll need dish soap. The brand, scent, and type are up to your preference. Add 200 milliliters of dish soap to a large container. Next, we'll need salt, the refined salt we use in the kitchen. Add 2 tablespoons and mix well. Now, we'll need baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix a little more. Finally, just add a cup of water, regular water at room temperature. Then, mix one last time. I couldn't believe that mixing these ingredients could do this. I was amazed by the results, so I'm sharing this with you all so you can take advantage of it and save a lot of money. After mixing well, it's ready. Now, we'll transfer the entire mixture into an empty container. I'll use this dish soap bottle. And I bet you're curious wondering what this is for. What we just made is one of the best homemade aluminum cleaners and polishers ever. That's right. You'll use this product to clean and shine all types of aluminum in your house, especially your pots and pans. Look at the condition of this pan, extremely burnt and covered in grease. People usually throw away pans in this condition, but you don't have to do that. Just take our product and pour it directly onto the pan. Then, simply scrub it well. You don't need steel wool or to use too much force because our product is very powerful. It works for cutlery, stainless steel items, aluminum objects, the kitchen sink, and even some household appliances. And besides cleaning, it will give an amazing shine to your items. Watch how all the dirt and burnt stains come off effortlessly. And all of this with cheap ingredients that we all have at home. An extremely economical and useful product. It will make your pots and pans look brand new, just like the ones in stores. I bet all your guests will be impressed with how shiny your pans are. Look at the result. Amazing. So, don't miss out on trying this wonderful tip at home. I'm sure you'll love the results. That was today's tip. I really hope you liked it. Take care and see you in the next video.